The Komodo dragon, Varanus komodoensis, is a large lizard species found on the islands of Indonesia, including Komodo, Rinca, Flores, and Gili Motang. As a member of the monitor lizard genus in the Varanidae family, it is the largest living lizard species, with a maximum length of 3 meters, 10 feet, and weighing around 70 kilograms, 150 pounds. Due to their size, these lizards dominate the ecosystems of the islands they inhabit. Komodo dragons hunt and ambush prey, including invertebrates, birds, and mammals. They are believed to have venom. 2 glands in their lower jaws secrete several toxic proteins. The biological significance of these proteins remains a topic of debate, but the glands have been shown to produce anticoagulants. The group hunting behavior of Komodo dragons is particularly unique in the reptile world. Their diet mainly consists of small Indonesian deer, although they also consume a significant amount of carrion. Komodo dragons occasionally attack humans. The mating season runs from May to August, with eggs being laid in September, a maximum of 20 eggs per clutch, usually laid in abandoned bird nests or in self-dug burrows. The eggs are incubated for 7 to 8 months, hatching in April, when insects are most abundant. Young Komodo dragons are vulnerable and often take refuge in trees to stay safe from predators and adult cannibals. They take 8 to 9 years to reach maturity and are estimated to live up to 30 years. The development and evolution of the Komodo dragon began with the genus Varanus, which originated in Asia about 40 million years ago and migrated to Australia, where it evolved into a giant form, the largest being the recently extinct species Megalania, thanks to the absence of competition from placental carnivores. About 15 million years ago, a collision between the Australian continent and Southeast Asia caused these larger monitors to move back to the region now known as the Indonesian archipelago, expanding their range as far east as Timor Island. The Komodo dragon is believed to have diverged from its Australian ancestors about 4 million years ago. However, recent fossil evidence from Queensland suggests that the Komodo dragon actually evolved in Australia before moving to Indonesia. Significant sea level drops during the last ice age exposed vast continental shelves that the Komodo dragon occupied, but they gradually became isolated in their current island range as sea levels rose again. Fossils of extinct Pliocene species of similar size to modern Komodo dragons, such as Varanus sivalensis, have been found in Eurasia, indicating that they thrived even in competitive environments with mammalian predators until climate change and extinction events marked the onset of the Pleistocene epoch. In the wild, adult Komodo dragons typically weigh around 70 kilograms, 150 pounds, although captive individuals are often heavier. According to the Guinness World Records, an average adult male weighs between 79 to 91 kilograms, 74 to 201 pounds, and measures 2.5 meet 8.5 feet in length, while females weigh 68 to 73 kilograms, 150 to 161 pounds, and measure 2.29 meters, 7.5 feet. The largest wild individual found measured 3.13 meters, 10.3 feet, and weighed up to 166 kilograms, 366 pounds, including undigested food. Komodo dragons have tails that are as long as their bodies and serrated teeth that are about 2.5 centimeters, 1 in long. Their saliva is often blood-tinged, as their teeth are almost entirely covered by gum tissue, which can tear during feeding. This creates a habitat for bacteria in their mouths. They also have long, forked, yellow tongues. The skin of the Komodo dragon is reinforced with hard scales containing small bones called osteoderms, which serve as a natural chainmail armor. Like other Varanidae species, the Komodo dragon has a single ear bone, the stapes, which transmits vibrations from the eardrum to the cochlea. They are limited to hearing frequencies between 400 and 2000 Hz, while humans can hear from 20 to 20,000 Hz. Researchers previously thought they were deaf, because they did not respond to spoken words or shouts. However, a blind staff member at the London Zoo, Joan Proctor, was able to call Komodo dragons for feeding using her voice, which sparked debate. Komodo dragons can see from a distance of about 300 meters, 980 feet, but due to their retinas containing only cone cells, their night vision is believed to be poor. They can perceive colors, but they have difficulty distinguishing motionless objects. Komodo dragons use their tongues to explore, taste the air, and smell. Like other reptiles, they primarily use the Jacobson's organ rather than their nostrils. With the help of air and by swinging their heads from side to side, Komodo dragons can smell carrion from distances of 4 to 9.5 kilometers, 2.5 to 5.9 miles.